Welcome, thank you for joining me. My name is ALON SELA, and today I want to customize a little bit more the calculator that we've built. So let's see the final result for another calculator that I made, and you can see here we have this small icon instead of this feather looks like, which is the default icon that comes with the Tkinter app. So let's see how we can modify this this feather. So first of all, we need an image that will be saved as an icon, and let's see how we can do it, because this this nice feather is not an image, it's an icon. So let's see how we can create an icon using a picture. Or more precisely, let's see how we can take a picture and save it as an ICO. So I opened Google and I've typed JPG to ICO, and the first result is this website. Let's click on it and choose the file that we want to convert. So let's open the file that we want to convert. Let's find it. So I'm going to my pictures, and I have some pictures that I saved from Midjourney. Nice pictures. Let's see this one. Suppose I want this picture, and now after the file is loaded, all I need to do is press the convert, and it will automatically convert it to an ICO file. And once it's finished, all I need to do is to download it, and it is very important that the download will be at the same library as the library that we made the code. So we'll just one moment, we can see it. So I'll save it just as let's call it icon image, and you can see that the file type is ICO. I'll save it, and that's it. Now we want to use it. So the Scholes calculator is at the library. I saved it at a library that is called Python scripts. So the ICO file also need to be in this same library in order for the code to know where to take the image, the ICO image from. And now all we need to do is to type root.ico bitmap, and the place that we saved it in. For me, it's in C users ALON documents and Python scripts, and we just named it ICO. We called it ICO slash image.ico. So this should do the work, and now let's see if we activate the Python code. Let's see what do we get. Okay, so I see a little mistake I made. It's not ICO, it's ICON, like icon. Let's see. And another mistake I did, it's not user, it's users. And now let's see. And of course, this is not an ICO, I call it icon. So I hope this is the final mistake. Now let's see. Okay, let's close down all these windows and hit the play button once more. And now you can see instead of the feather we have this this nice icon that we customize by taking a picture and converting it to an ICO. So this is the way you can put here a nice custom picture of your own and make it a little bit aesthetic and nicer. I see you at the next lesson. Bye bye.